Hi all, I've been asked to describe what the World Scout Jamboree means to me. Hi all, I've been asked to describe what the World Scout Jamboree means to me. Now, it means many things. This is the first one that I've ever been on, and I'm so excited and also a little nervous. But I know that it's going to mean that I get to make loads of new friends and meet people from around the world. That is always a bonus, especially if you love travelling, because you get cheap holidays. It's always great. But now, on a serious note, it means a sense of adventure for me. It's going to push me out of my comfort zone and get me to do things that I wouldn't normally do, which I'm so excited to do, to see what I can actually achieve. It also means pride. I am so proud to be lucky enough to be selected to represent Wales at this massive event. It is such an achievement and a privilege that for everyone going should be proud of. But that's enough from me. I am so excited to be sharing this with all of you, and I cannot wait to see how we all develop and grow with each other over the next year and a half while we continue this adventure. Anyhow, see you soon. Bye!
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventures to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.